Advance your career with Exemplar Global Accredited Auditor Training Programs, URGS International. Hello and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's competitive global business environment, organizations are increasingly seeking qualified professionals who can effectively implement, audit, and improve management systems. Whether it is quality, safety, food safety, information security, sustainability, compliance, risk management, or artificial intelligence, certified auditors are in high demand across industries worldwide. If you are looking to enhance your professional credentials, expand your career opportunities, and gain internationally recognized auditor qualifications, this video is for you. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited proudly offers a wide range of exemplar global accredited lead auditor training programs, internal auditor courses, lead implementer programs, awareness trainings designed to help professionals achieve global competence and recognition. Let us explore how these training programs can transform your career. Why auditor training matters. Organizations today operate in a highly regulated environment. Customers, regulators, certification bodies, and stakeholders expect businesses to demonstrate compliance, efficiency, safety, sustainability, and control improvement. This is where trained auditors play a critical role. Professional auditors help organizations ensure compliance with international standards, identify risks and opportunities, improve operational performance, enhance customer satisfaction, maintain certification requirements, strengthen business resilience, support sustainable growth. As organizations adopt more management systems, the demand for qualified auditors continues to increase globally. By obtaining internationally recognized auditor qualifications, professionals can significantly improve their career prospects in auditing, consulting, implementation, compliance, operations, quality assurance, environmental management, and risk management. Why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited has built a strong reputation for delivering high quality professional training programs. Our training programs offer exemplar global accredited courses, experienced trainers and industry experts, interactive online learning environment, practical case studies and exercises, globally recognized certifications, flexible learning options, comprehensive training materials, professional career development support. Our objective is to help participants gain both theoretical knowledge and practical auditing skills that can be immediately applied in real-world situations. Exemplar Global Accredited Lead Auditor Programs. Let us now explore the wide range of auditor training programs offered by URGS International. HACCP Lead Auditor Training. Food safety remains one of the most critical concerns worldwide. The HACCP Lead Auditor course provides detailed knowledge of hazard analysis, critical control points, food safety risk assessment, food processing controls, auditing techniques. This program is ideal for food manufacturers, quality professionals, food safety managers, consultants, and auditors. Halal Food Lead Auditor Training. The global halal market continues to expand rapidly. This course helps participants understand halal requirements, halal certification processes, halal food production controls, auditing methodologies. Professionals working in food production, export businesses, certification bodies, and quality assurance departments can greatly benefit from this program. Then next is ISO 27701 Privacy Information Management Systems. Data privacy has become a major concern for organizations worldwide. This training covers privacy risk management, personal data protection, regulatory compliance, privacy controls, auditing techniques, suitable for information security professionals, compliance officers, privacy managers, and consultants. ISO 39001 Road Traffic Safety Management Systems. Road safety is a major global challenge. This course helps participants understand road traffic risk management, safety performance indicators, legal compliance, controls improvement. Ideal for transportation organizations, logistic companies, fleet operators, and safety professionals. ISO 1002 customer satisfaction and complaint handling. Customer satisfaction directly impacts business success. This course focuses on compliant management systems, customer feedback processes, service improvement, internal auditing. Perfect for customer service managers, quality professionals, and business process owners. ISO 14065 Greenhouse Gas Validation and Verification. As organizations focus on sustainability and carbon reduction, greenhouse gas verification is becoming increasingly important. Participants learn GHG principles, validation requirements, verification processes, audit methodologies, ideal for environmental professionals and sustainability specialists. ISO 15189 Medical Laboratories. Medical laboratories require high levels of competence and reliability. This training covers laboratory quality management, technical competence, accreditation requirements, internal auditing, suitable for laboratory managers, medical professionals, and quality personnel. ISO 21001 Educational Organizations Management Systems. Educational institutions are adopting management systems to improve quality and effectiveness. Participants learn educational management principles, learner satisfaction, performance evaluation, auditing techniques, ideas for schools, colleges, universities, and training organizations. ISO/IEC 17021 Management Systems Certification Bodies. Certification bodies require competent auditors and decision makers. This program provides understanding of certification processes, competence requirements, audit program management, certification decision processes. Excellent for certification professionals and auditors. ISO 20387 Biobanking. Biobanking supports research, healthcare, and scientific advancement. This course focuses on biobank operations, quality requirements, competence management, auditing practices. Suitable for laboratory and research professionals. ISO 22301 Business Continuity Management Systems. Business disruptions can occur anytime. This training helps organizations prepare for emergencies, operational disruptions, disaster recovery, business continuity planning. An excellent course for risk managers, continuity professionals, and senior management. ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems. Workplace safety remains a priority across industries. Participants learn hazard identification, risk assessment, incident investigation, compliance requirements, internal and external auditing. Highly valuable for safety professionals, managers, and auditors. ISO 22003 Part 1 Food Safety Management System Auditing. This specialized course focuses on auditing food safety management systems. Topics include audit planning, competence requirements, food chain categories, audit execution. Ideal for food safety auditors and certification professionals. Then similarly, ISO 37001 Anti-Bribery Management Systems. Ethics and integrity are essential for business success. Participants learn anti-bribery controls, compliance requirements, risk assessment, investigation processes, auditing techniques. Suitable for compliance officers, legal professionals, and auditors. ISO 55001 Asset Management Systems. Organizations invest heavily in physical and intangible assets. This course covers asset lifecycle management, risk-based decision making, performance improvement, auditing requirements, ideal for asset managers and maintenance professionals. ISO 41001 Facility Management Systems. Facility management contributes significantly to organizational performance. Participants learn facility operations, service delivery, resource management, risk management, auditing practices. Suitable for facility managers and infrastructure professionals. ISO 22483 Tourism and Hospitality Quality Management. The hospitality industry demands exceptional service quality. This training covers customer experience, service excellence, quality management, hospitality auditing. Perfect for tourism and hospitality professionals. ISO 31000 Risk Management. Risk management is essential for strategic decision making. Participants gain expertise in risk identification, risk analysis, risk treatment, monitoring, and review. Application across all industries. ISO 37101 Sustainable Development in Communities. Sustainability is becoming a strategic priority globally. This course addresses community sustainability, social responsibility, environmental management, sustainable development goals, ideal for public sector organizations and sustainability professionals. ISO 37301 compliance management systems. Regulatory compliance is critical for modern organizations. Participants learn compliance frameworks, governance requirements, risk-based compliance, auditing techniques, suitable for compliance managers and corporate governance professionals. ISO 42001 Artificial Intelligence Management System. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide. This highly relevant course focuses on AI governance, AI risk management, ethical AI, responsible AI practices, AI auditing. A valuable qualification for technology professionals, compliance experts, and management system auditors. ISO 50001 Energy Management Systems. Energy efficiency directly impacts profitability and sustainability. Participants learn energy performance improvement, energy planning, monitoring and measurement, internal auditing, ideal for energy managers and sustainability professionals. ISO/IEC 17020 inspection bodies. Inspection organizations require competence and impartiality. Topics include inspection processes, technical competence, impartiality requirements, auditing practices, suitable for inspection professionals and auditors. ISO 50003 Energy Management System audit requirements. This course provides advanced knowledge regarding auditing energy management systems and certification requirements. ISO/IEC 17025 Testing and Calibration Laboratories, one of the most sought after laboratory standards globally. Participants gain expertise in laboratory competence, measurement traceability, method validation, internal auditing, ideal for testing and calibration laboratory professionals. ISO 14064 Part 1 Greenhouse Gas Quantification and Reporting. Organizations are increasingly reporting carbon emissions. This course covers GHG accounting, carbon footprint assessment, reporting requirements, verification principles. Excellent for environmental and sustainability professionals. Then next is ISO 20121 Event Sustainability Management Systems. Sustainable event management is becoming increasingly important. Participants learn sustainable event planning, environmental impact management, stakeholder engagement, performance evaluation, suitable for event organizers and sustainability managers. Now, apart from this, there are some additional courses, additional training courses, training categories beyond lead auditor courses. URGS also offers internal auditor training, lead implementer training, awareness program for all these standards. These programs are designed to support professionals at every stage of their career journey. Now, who should attend? Our training programs are ideal for auditors, consultants, quality managers, compliance officers, safety professionals, environmental managers, laboratory personnel, facility managers, risk managers, food safety professionals, senior executives, management representatives, engineers, business owners. Whether you are starting your auditing career or looking to upgrade your qualifications, URGS has the right program for you. Benefits of joining URGS training programs. By enrolling with URGS International, you can gain internationally recognized qualifications, improve employability and career growth, enhance auditing and implementation skills, expand professional knowledge, increase consulting opportunities, build credibility with employers and clients. Stay updated with global standards. Join a growing network of professionals. At last, conclusion: the future belongs to professionals who continuously upgrade their knowledge and skills. Exemplar Global accredited auditor training programs from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provide the knowledge, competence, and international recognition needed to excel in today's competitive marketplace. Whether your interest lies in food safety, occupational health and safety, privacy, risk management, sustainability, compliance, artificial intelligence, energy management, laboratories, facility management, or business continuity, URGS has a training program designed for your success. Take the next step in your professional journey today. For training schedules, registration details, and customized corporate training programs, contact us. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional training updates, certification insights and career development opportunities. We look forward to helping you achieve global excellence with URGS International. Thank you.